Hi everyone. Today's class we're going to be talking about how to install the necessary software for you to run WordPress offline. For this particular software, the name is called Local by Flywheels. It's called Local by Flywheels. It's a software that has a better feature, a better capacity than that of XAMPP. So in today's class, I'm going to be walking you through the process of how to install your Local by Flywheel. The first thing you have to do is to navigate to your web browser and visit the website localwp.com. I'll take that again, localwp.com. Once you visit the website, you will find yourself on this page. That is, if they have not made changes to their website. Like, you know that this is a web design class, and at all different time people tend to change the look of their website. This is to ensure the website is doing fine and making a better look for people. Nevertheless, that is not the major part of our topic today. So we'll go back to the class and go to the download option here. Click on download. Now you'll be asked for the platform. Now you have to select the type of system you're using in terms of the installation. So you pick, for mine, I'm using Windows, so you can select Windows. The next thing you need to do is to fill this quick form here for you to work. Fill this quick form here for you to work. So just fill this form here and put in your details and say get download. Now this should start the download for you on your device. It should take some few minutes for you to download, depends on the download you're using. So I will start the download here. Then after the download, we'll continue this video from where we have stopped for now. Thank you. Go to download our software, which is local WP. Like I said, we can also search for it online using the word Local by Flywheels. So I'm going to install my software now. So we're just going to run through the process of installation. This is to ensure that you understand what you are doing from your end. At some point in this video, I will likely pause the video because of the time of installation and continue the video so that we can have a short video instead of having a lengthy video, a long video that will take up time for viewing. So you could have something like this from your end. Remember to download the appropriate version for the kind of system you are using. That is very, very important, so you don't waste your time trying to install a software that is meant for Windows for on an iOS device or Ubuntu or other operating systems. So this is very, very crucial to what you're doing. So I'm just going to continue my installation now. So I'm going to install for everybody on the system. Select next. It's just the basic installation process for every other software that you install on your system. Accept the notification that comes up to your screen. I'll select yes. Okay, so we'll just move to the process. Pretty just say install and move on to the next phase of the installation. So after this installation, we'll be able to start our local server on our system that would not require internet access when we are building our WordPress websites using our desktop or laptop computer. So the major aim of this is to help you understand the process of developing your website without much of the data that you need. So I will just take it from there. I will just move towards this step. So at this point, I'll quickly pause the video so we can just fast forward all the processes. Thank you. Okay, so once your installation is completed, you will see this screen. This shows that the software has been installed successfully on your computer. So just click on finish to open the software fully. Let's just click on finish to open the software fully. Like I will advise, follow the step so that you can get exact results from your end. This is really, really important for us, and I want to ensure that you are learning and that you're not just there on your own. So please, if you have any other difficulty, you can just drop your comments so we can help you to take it further from here. Thank you. Okay, so this is my software here. I already have it here. I can just click on close here because I don't want to do any other thing from there. So I have these other tabs here that can navigate around. But once you get to this process, you can stop the installation. I will take it from here. So we'll take the other part of this class when we get online. Thank you very much. I'll see you in class. Enjoy your day.